morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in Bitcoin USD pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
Bitcoin has fallen 1.1% in the last session. The CCI has shot up into positive territory. The euro-dollar pair has added 0.9% in the last two sessions. The ROC remains positive. The sterling-dollar pair has added 0.9% in the last two sessions. Stochastic has receded into the negative zone. The Aussie dollar pair has gained 1.4% in the last two sessions. Stochastic has cooled down and is currently positive.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
A federal judge in California urged Apple and Fortnite creator Epic Games to take their antitrust dispute before a jury. The sterling is firmer and many sterling crosses are higher on a minor risk rally. That's despite a lack of progress in the EU-UK talks on a post-Brexit trade deal. The Inland Revenue Department of New Zealand has requested that crypto companies in the country hand over their customers' personal details.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Swiss retail sales will be released at 4:30 GMT, the Swiss CPI at 4:30 GMT, the UK manufacturing PMI at 6:30 GMT, the Eurozone's PPI at 700 GMT, the Eurozone's unemployment rate at 700 GMT, and the U.S. personal income at 10:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.